Hi, the gang. It is Wolfman here with the lovely Leslie, and we're back at Costco. So, trying to see if there's a few new things for camping adventures. And you found something that's pretty fun.
It is around the corner.
Go have a look. Come on.
Right?
Giant curb plunk. Now, there is something that is good for camping over here. Check this out. People go crazy over this now, cornhole? And look at these nice simple wooden boxes. This East Point Heritage cornhole set. So it's very simple. Got the carry handles and regular price at $99.99. So I don't mind cornhole, but I don't think I'd buy one. Would you?
No, not for that. Well, yeah.
No. But if you like cornhole, this is where you get it. I don't know why I find that word so funny. Cornhole. Cornholio.
Stop.
Stopping. All right, one of the things I did on my last camping video, and I didn't actually put the footage in my video, probably should have, but is took a picture of some birds that were feeding on some bird seed on the picnic table. And I have a trail cam, which cost me $69. Just put some bird seed out and off you go. Or you can spend $140 on a bird feeder that has a camera that goes inside. I don't know. I think women owned is neat, but the price for a novelty item is not. Okay, they do have the Mac Sports Director chair. I don't know, is this cheaper than it was before, or am I just imagining it? $44.99. I don't like these things anyway. It's just not comfortable.
No, it's not upstairs.
But if you like these things, $44.99. Well, a day at the beach, either up in Algonquin or Deer Creek, like one of our favorite campgrounds, which we're going to get to definitely this summer. And these look like they're, yeah, they got a mesh in them. Shake out the sand, eh? So, Fleet Made Beach Tote, $24.99. Doesn't seem like a bad deal. Gotta love the Canadian flag. Do you want to hold one of those up? Oh, yeah. Canada proud. True North, strong and free. Okay, I've been coming to this Costco looking for a very particular thing, Leslie. How many times?
Oh, like for months.
And they've never had it. And now they have it.
Today?
All right, it's the Infinity X1 camp light. You can see how it sets up here. And it's nice to have one of these, eh? And I've seen people using very expensive ones, like $200 or $250 versions. And at the end of the day, it's a light. So $39.99 versus like $250 or $300.
It had good reviews.
It did have good reviews, so let's open it up and have a look. All right, so somebody's already taken one of these out. It's not the most premium material in the world. It's kind of like the tripod that I use, but at the end of the day, for that money, what do you want, right? And it looks like there must be extenders, yeah. Inside.
Yeah.
Unless I don't know how to open this thing up.
No, it's probably just showing you the what it looks like, and then not showing you all the parts, maybe.
So here's the power button. Probably some more juice in it. Feels pretty hefty.
There you go.
All right, we're getting one. So it's funny, the paddleboard you like, you can still order it online, right?
Yes, the
Yeah.
Tobin, yeah.
And this one here, the Aqua Marina, there's plenty of them. $349, so not a bad price. Even just as a standard price. Gotta have one of these if you're camping on a lake in the summer. So that's what, 29 degrees Celsius outside? You love it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And me, not as much, right?
Right.
So maybe I need one of these. It's a Versabrella, 20% more coverage, and a versatile clamp. So you can clamp it to a chair, clamp it to whatever. Clamp it to my kayak.
There you go.
And how much is it? $14.97. How do you go wrong? Man. Might be getting a Versabrella, even at the regular price. All right, more fun and games at the campsite?
Yeah.
Jellyfish, what's it do?
You get the little balls,
Yeah?
and then
Oh, come on, it's like a little slingshot.
yeah.
Yeah.
I guess gotta kind of catch it too.
Sling them, catch them,
Sporty game for
Yeah.
teenagers and adults.
play alone or together. So many options. And chili fish. Doji, no, that's not a bad price. Wow. Now we're talking. The Dynatrap Outdoor Bug Trap. Kills bugs and flying insects. 3 power options. No zapping, odors, mess, or chemicals. Keep bugs away from patios and porches and campsites. $79.99. Turn it on, leave it on 24/7 to maximize your catch rate. I want to leave in the comments if you tried this camping. So you remember we were watching that one guy on YouTube, I can't remember what his name is, but he reviews gear and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And one of the things that I saw him playing with was this, which is a bite healer. So it kind of puts a heat pulse out on the,
Oh, right. Yes.
the
I
bite.
do remember that.
Yeah, remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
So they have them here. And the insect bite healer is $29.99. That doesn't seem expensive.
No.
Even regular price. Luna could have used one of these, eh?
Oh, poor baby.
That's our dog. Not our kid, our dog. Maybe we'll get one of those for Luna. And of course, if you'd rather go the chemical route, you can get Zach's Original. And it looks like that's $14.99 if I'm seeing the price tag correctly down there.
Yep.
Fast acting. Act now. All right, I did see that as at a restaurant I was at one time on the table, and he's just kind of spin around. You put them over like kind of where you're eating, and then it just keeps the bugs off your food. So pretty neat. And it looks like I think that price is lower, Leslie. It's $19.99. I thought we were looking at one that was like $24.99.
I'm not sure.
I don't remember. But if you want to keep the bugs off your food, off your camp table, not a bad price. All right, one of the things you need at camp all the time is fire, and can't say enough about these lighters. I bought a pack almost a year ago, and they've never run out of gas. And I use them all the time, so they're well loaded. And for $16.99 for a pack of 6, I don't think you can go wrong. So if you need some lighters for your campsite, get them there. Yeah, $16.99, and even without a sale, that's a great price. Okay, technically, I know most people don't bring charcoal camping. And I do once in a while if we bring a charcoal cooker. But this stuff here, this extra wood charcoal, premium quality, even if you're doing a cookout in the backyard and you're not using it for camping, it is $21.99 for this giant 22 pound 10 kilogram bag. And the other brand that I like, Leslie, which you saw at Canadian Tire, I can't remember the name of it now, right? But it's almost $40. And this stuff, honestly, you don't get a bunch of those little tiny pieces that you can't use anyway and throw out. So if you need charcoal, either for camping in the backyard, get it here. Get it. Okay, the lovely Leslie just made an executive decision. We're getting what?
The Cuisinart 4-in extra large expandable prep and serve tub. But check it out.
Give us a show.
Maybe.
It's got a lid.
It uses a cutting board.
Wow. Yeah.
And it has
Oh,
tub,
look at
which
that.
means to not only wash your stuff, but also to put in cold drinks.
Wow.
Or, I guess, to marinate your meat, too. There you go.
Hold on,
That's it.
price alert. Was $19.99, now $14.99. So that's a full $5 off, and we're getting it.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so again, I'm not buying it because I already have it, but I want to let you know that if you want to buy it, it's worth it. So this camp kitchen set, this 21-piece camp set, I love it. I've been using it for over a year now, right, Leslie?
Yeah.
Winter camping, summer camping, it's got everything that you need, like everything, to be able to cook properly. I don't mean your pots and pans, but all the other stuff, forks and spoons and graters and tongs and all kinds of stuff. So what's that?
Cutting board.
Yeah, a little cutting board, 2 little cutting board actually. And if we didn't have kids, we didn't put them back. I would have had mine in there too instead of using a log on the camp last trip. But at any rate, if you see it, get it. The price is $49.99 and worth every cent. It will go on sale. Sometimes it does, but I'm telling you, even at full price, this is a really good kit. Wolfman approved. Okay, lighting solutions. This is pretty fun. Leslie, the sphere.
Yeah, and apparently it floats.
Oh, changes colors. Wow. And $36.99. Now, is that a camping necessity? No.
No. You
But
can also stake it in the ground. It's pretty fun.
it's cool. I like it. So it's going in the video because I like it. All right, we got a beach theme going on here. And beach umbrellas, how much for these, Leslie?
So they're $10 off. They're $34.99 now.
Oh, wow. So seems like a pretty good deal for a beach umbrella.
It does, yeah.
And I think, if I'm not mistaken, looks like it's got a little table or something to. Wow. So a good deal for the beach. And all the parks we camp at have beaches. So we saw this, and what's that show we're watching right now?
The Burrows.
The Burrows. But before that, we were at
our lovely little local cafe.
And we had our first Frosty. But in the Burrow, the guy held up a bottle cap. And now we're at Costco. And there's cases of it for $23.99. So
It's delicious.
yeah, I'm getting a Frosty. I think it might be the best root beer I've ever had.